the headphones straight in the inbox and listen to that. Or I can plug it into another radio, but then you're real close to overloading the front of it. You know what I mean?
Right. Well, how are they doing it?
They got another hi-fi radio, and then they'll take it and set it up where they can listen to it over the internet with a laptop or some shit.
Shit. That's just too much, man. Damn. Just a little too much for me. Yeah, something needs to be a whole lot simpler, man. Hell, I don't know. There's got to be something simpler out there.
No, this right here is about as simple as it gets. The only other way to do it is to spend the money on all the rack gear and all the other crap, and then you still got to adjust all the settings. You know what I mean? So it's just it's a time-consuming. Of course, you look at old John out there. I mean, man, he's been doing this shit for years, and he still has to work in it. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, yeah. I've caught him on one or two gates out there, and boy, wasn't sounding just real choice, you know.
I was sitting there talking and it wasn't modulating. I done clicked on the wrong thing.
Damn.
Well, let's see what that does. Does that do anything?
That sounds good.
Does it sound any different though? Here's one. Audio test. Well, now I can't get the damn thing to come back on. Never mind.
That sounded good anyhow.
That right there sounds good?
Yeah, it sounds pretty damn good.
Okay, I brought max bass up a little bit. It's starting to get muddy any right there?
I don't think so.
Okay. Well, I'm going to save this session file right now. That way I don't lose it. You know what I mean? That way I don't have to do all this crap over again.
Right. Yeah, I got a gate going on it too. About 3 minutes, 10 seconds now.
Alright, well, let me go in and save this thing right quick. And I'll be right back.
All right.
Okay. Well, I saved a few things right there, so we'll see what that does.
Did you change something that time?
No, I hadn't changed nothing since I was on here just a second ago.
Okay.
changed something right there. What'd that do?
Give me some more audio.
Okay, audio test. 1, 2, 1, 2, audio.
Alright. Yeah, I was changing my ears a little bit. So I wanted to get you with, both ways. I had my ears. Cutting some of it back a little bit. Some of that white noise.
Uh-huh. Well, what'd that do to the way it sounded? That kill it right there?
No.
There's with the max bass brought into it a little bit. That should have brought my bass up a little bit.
Talk to me again.
Okay, audio. There we go, hot rod. Check it out, break.
Yes, definitely got some bass in it.
Yeah, but does it have too much or is it not enough?
I don't know. You might want to come down off of it just a tad bit.
Okay, that right there that should have brought it down a little bit. Bring it down a little more. All right, here we go. Audio.
Yeah, that sounds all right.
Where's that at right there? Down in the mud hole?
No, brought it up a little bit too.
Oh, it's gonna bring it up, but I figured that'd be real muddy.
No, it ain't bad.
Okay. What about that right there? What'd that do?
Talk to me a little.
Okay. Trying it one more time. Audio.
Well, it didn't change it a whole lot, I don't think.
Alright. Well, I got to cut some of this fuse back, man. I'm hitting this thing a little hard.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, I mean, it's damn sure loud over here, I guarantee you.
Alright. Audio. Bring it back a little bit. You gotta adjust your final audio. Then you gotta adjust your carrier. Holla. Alright. Go back to the final audio. What's, hello. Test. Too much. Alright. What's that right there doing?
I think you finally got it lined out there at the end. Let me hear it a little bit.
Okay. What's it right there sound like? It looks a lot better on the meter and on the scope. So, what does it sound like? Tell me something.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Alright, I'm going to save it right there.
Alright, I got 9 minutes and 16 seconds. I'm going to stop this and try to get to starting these uploading.